Okay, so I got it open and kind of sort of forced it a little bit, but it was like 1, 2, and it's like 4 on the bottom there. Yeah, 1, 2, and 4. So I shouldn't be able to do that, but hey, technically it's cheating. Sorry. So in here, it looks like we've got a little chalice with a wooden, got like a hole in the bottom. Maybe we can prod that in somewhere. Looks like there's 2 little holes in there. Maybe they were just to hold these things in place, but we've got a soldier, so I'm guessing the soldier is pointing to the next side that we need to look at. And then it looks like a Stonehenge piece, which I'm assuming maybe fits on the top here. I'm not sure exactly which one it should go into yet, other than just doing sort of like trial and error. So let's try that. So it looks like it fits into that one. Okay. So don't know if that does anything for us yet, but it seems to sort of go in a little bit. Okay, it doesn't move yet, so I'm guessing we must have to get all of them done. Okay, so let's find where we can put this. So the soldier was the next thing to look at. Just check there's nothing in the back of this. No, all good. Maybe here. Okay, that doesn't seem to do anything. That looks like something should go in directly into it rather than sort of gently fit in. So I don't think that's the next move. Okay, nothing on the sides. Nothing on the underside. This just looks like a sort of a general puzzle. I'm not sure if maybe I'll just try and solve this. I don't know. Let's try and solve this. So move these out of the way. But this looks like to open this piece here in the middle. Maybe I can't get around to that yet because this piece is still stuck in. So I'm thinking maybe it's not possible yet for me to get to that. Yeah, maybe we come back to this one because yeah, again I think this soldier piece is the next logical progression. Okay, but this doesn't get me anywhere. This goes in here. No. That's not like a crank. Okay. Load of signs of degrees around here. Again, there's that archer. I just don't think that's the next move. I think it has something to do with this guy. Can't press these in. No. Maybe the goblet of fire is here. Now there is some angles here. Maybe I do have to go with this for a little bit, just see if I can get this out. But these seem to not want to move yet. Which these are nice and clear. I think I might be barking up the wrong tree here at this point, because yeah, none of these seem to want to go anywhere anytime soon. But there is this picture of a shield. I feel like this goblet should do something. It's definitely not going to go in the top. Now that presses that way, which looks like it releases something. But I'm not seeing anything. Something to do with the tree. If putting it in, let me rotate it a little bit. No. I feel like that should do something. I should rotate this and like allow me a turn. But it doesn't look like anything, but something's. This is good, this is good. I like it. So again, this chalice, so the two pieces released with these, it's, so this definitely looks like there's a mechanism that when you slide it in and push it forward, like something gives, but this doesn't want to move. So I'm guessing that it's not ready to rotate just yet, or that I've got to press something in at the same time, because that's not budging. Big old shake. Right, now this armour, there's the England flag on it. I don't know if this has anything to do with it. Oh, okay, it looks like to rotate these little things to line them up with a symbol. So now does that? So it's got a red cross. Red cross, does that do anything? No, that one doesn't seem to rotate very well. This one does pretty freely. You see the symbol in there. Fox, because I feel like if I can free this up, this will come out, and then I can get access to this side. But at the moment, this side seems pretty closed. This one doesn't want to rotate very well. I don't know if that's just because it's not supposed to yet, or it's just a little bit tight. I'm not sure. This one seems quite stuck to it. Yeah, I think it's just a bit tight. Okay. I don't know which sign this should be. England, maybe it's the cross. Looks like a red cross in there. But I'm not sure if there's other. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, now there's a chalice here. Can I press it into here? Oh, come on, that looks like it should go. No, that doesn't work. It feels like it should. It feels like that should press. Oh, ha ha ha. Okay, so that did press in. Did decompress. Now what does that let me do? Does it let me move anything? It just presses down. I'd imagine it should move now. Swivel. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, so that swivels out. And we've got another Stonehenge piece in here. That's a bit tricky to get out with the old finger there. Okay, there we go. There we go, second Stonehenge piece. And looking in there, there's a second suit of armour, and it's got the arrows going sideways. So I'm guessing that's my next move. This doesn't move still. Okay, so let's see if putting these two Stonehenge pieces in the top does anything yet. I suspect that I'm going to have to get them all before this will do anything, but could be wrong. So there's one. Looks like it might be this side. There we go. Two. Okay, got two in, but it's not moving yet. No, so we're still stuck at this stage. I think not ready to rotate just yet. It's a shame. I think maybe we get the third, but it looks like there's two more to go in here and here. Okay, I'm just going to check there's nothing more in there. No, just this soldier with. So so now we've got the English one and the other one opened up. So this one's got the arrows. He's got a sword, a red sword with like a red triangle. But I don't know if it's any of these. These symbols don't appear to match anything in there unless I'm missing it. So the red one, I mean his spear is stood up straight. This one's got a sword. maybe that's the sword. That one's a spear. Seems dubious, but I'm guessing one of these has to... Oh, that feels like it's budging on this side now, so I'm guessing arrow to arrow must be right on that side. The other one just... Ah, there we go. So I'm not 100% sure why those symbols are the way they are. Shouldn't really have forced it, but hey ho, we're going to move on. So that's now opened those up, which means we can freely move these, which probably means we can solve the bottom compartment, but it's also opened up this one, the flap, which is giving me a wheel. Okay, this has degrees on it, and another Stonehenge piece in there. Oh, that's just one falling off the top. So we'll put that one of these on. Okay, so yeah, definitely needs to go on this side. I think that's the right way around. Yeah, that looks like the right way around. Put this one back on just for... Okay, not budging. I'm guessing we just need that final one before this will rotate. Now, this, I'm assuming, has something to do with the final side. We haven't quite cracked yet. So this is going to be a combination lock of differing degrees that are going to be pointing out on this. So there seems to be a little symbol at the bottom there, and you can see that. Which should be, I'll tell you what, let's try and solve this bottom bit first, because this is now opened up. Don't want to be doing this with like half information, so I'm guessing I just have to jig these around until they're all free. Until I can get this open. Maybe that way. Don't want to force anything. That must be that way. This is tight. Right. Again, don't want to force anything. He says having forced 2 of the puzzles already. Right, but that one looks like it should go down that way, maybe. Whoa! Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no, that's bad. Oh no. Oh. Right, I'll have to be super careful not to break that, because that's going to stop me completing the puzzle. As if I had it for 2 minutes, I'm already breaking the damn thing. Oh shit. Well, there's some game design feedback, guys. Don't trust the heavy-handed idiot. So hopefully that, I know where it needs to go, so that shouldn't cause too much of a problem, but that does cause some replayability problems. Eek. Maybe I'm just going to take these out until I've got all the parts. Let's just do that. Whoops. Okay, so let's open. See if I broke it. No, never mind. Right, there we go. Get in there. Almost there. So this last one, I guess, needs to go up here. Let's see if this will go down. No. Okay. There we go. Is that it? Right, that's it now. It was. Okay, now we've got our final Stonehenge piece out. bit that I've broken. Oh, shit. Right. Okay, so I know that's the one that goes in there. I'll put all the other ones in first and come back to the broken one. In fact, maybe I'll try and super glue this. Oh no, I'm going to risk it. I'm going to risk it. And we'll get all the other ones in. Okay, that one there, that one. No, just see the one to go in. Didn't know where around. No. Ah, there we go. There we go. Push it in that way. That way. Those are pressed in. The one that's not broken. In that way. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, so am I still one Stonehenge piece short? I'm still one Stonehenge piece short because I haven't solved this one. Nice one, Tom. Okay, so take these out again, just for safety, because I can't be trusted. It's definitely the right solution now. I'm feeling confident about that. Okay. So there's these angles that's sort of showing here. Angle here. So it's like, is it the degree, like the eye line from the eye to the tree? From the eye to the tree. But where does this get set? Is it saying that? Is it like a, do I hold this parallel to there? And then it seems quite an inaccurate way of doing it, because that would mean that basically like the eye to the tree, which I assume is the first one, and the eye to the tree, then the tree to the mountain, eye to the tree is that way, and then there's another one here, the tree to the mountain, but the tree's not on that side. Oh man. There are angles here, look. Again, I can probably just force this, completely removing the point of the game, so I really shouldn't, but I kind of want to. Shit, I'm still annoyed that I've broken something. So the arrow here is pointing to the degree that it should be. These don't feel like they're even engaging yet, so that to me means that this one's not right. Sorry, I brute forced it yet again. So I'm guessing that was 30, sort of 70, and around 60. Oh man, I didn't even get that one right from the looks of things. Yeah. I'm going to hell for this one. Sorry. Sorry, gang. Want to see me brute force things? Yes. Okay. So we've got now looks like a little coffin. Looks like a little puzzle in of itself. Okay. Now these signs were definitely on here. There's the final Stonehenge piece. Tell you what, let's do the final Stonehenge piece, and then we'll come back to the little box. I'm guessing this is the prize. So it's got on the bottom there something metal in there. That's kind of cool. But there's a picture of Stonehenge and a line to move it to. One of the goblet. Is there something on the goblet? Does it say? Is there a shape like a diamond that reflects? Ah, now there is one on the back of this Stonehenge piece. So the Stonehenge piece, this one, must be, it's the one with the line at the bottom, so it must be that one. Yep, so that now corresponds, that's good. The dial, which must be this one, has the one with the line at the top of the triangle, so it must be that one, so I think that's good. Now the chalice doesn't seem to have any markings on it, so I'll leave that one till last. And then the England, the little dragon, whatever, has that one that does the standard triangle. So because I've got 3 of them, I can probably just guess this last one, annoyingly. Assuming these are all in the right place. Oh, it looks like there's a pin that I need to pull out from the middle when it's lined up, maybe. So again, the dragon piece should be triangle, just the lines underneath. Standard triangle, lines underneath. Stonehenge should be the one with it at the bottom. The circle should be the one with it at the top. So the only one I need to move is this one. There we go. Cracked it. So it should have been the standard triangle. I'm not clear why that was. There's nothing on it that shows the triangle. So there's something funky there. Anyway, opening it up. Oh, I've got the sword, metal sword. That's cool. So I know that must have to go into here. And does it rotate? Sword goes in, but it's not. Now so let me lift this. And if I turn this in some ways, it changes. Let's put the sword in, which lets me pull that piece out. Which lets me, I'm guessing I can lift this now. Rotate this. No. I thought that would be it. No. Yeah, so looking at this, when I turn it, it releases that piece. That piece is correct. That's all good. I'm not sure where this piece needs to go, if anywhere. Why do we put it in there? No. That is strange. Perhaps. Right, okay, let's try opening the top now that we've got all the bits anyway. So this is the only bit I'm really worried about. Now I've broken it. Shit. Right, we'll do that bit last. Okay. Right, 1 in. 2 in. Helps if I use the right end. Oh, okay, maybe I put a wrong one in there. That's bad. Did it let me do that? Yes, it did. Oops. Right. 2. And the last one. 3. Working. 1, 2, 3, and then use the other short one to press it, and then I'm just going to actually not put the plastic thing in there, just see if I can press that in using a tool rather than risking putting it in there and breaking it. He says potentially breaking it anyway. I can definitely see that's the bit that needs to be pressed down though. So I might have to just do it. Oh, unless this is the wrong way around. Yeah, I can see in there. I don't want to force it or break anything. Shit. Definitely wants to go. This is terrible. I'm so sorry for the people who spent all this time making this game for me to break it. Just trying to find it. There we go. Okay, so we're in. Guessing this still needs to rotate a bit further because I think we need to get access to this bit, which I can't do just yet because it hasn't gone all the way around. Ah, now looks like there's a hole or something I need to press in there. No, it's just got stuck on something. I'm pretty sure this is done. Ah, it looks like it's got stuck in there again because the piece isn't pressed in. Stab it again. Shit. I can hear it getting caught again. There we go. Almost. I think again it's getting stuck because of that piece. Bollocks. This might be a one and done on this puzzle because I'm causing so much damage to it. Should be very upsetting. Yeah, there we go. So we're all the way around. Which now brings out this piece. Ooh. And we've got, let's get this out. I'll try and get this out. Okay, it didn't come out that way. A little bit fiddly. Oh shit. This is great. Try not to damage this, but it's, as you can see, it's caught there. I can't get him out. I'm trying to do it without breaking anything, bending anything, but it's not looking good. Right, we got him out. Hooray! Now that looks like he goes into the middle here. Maybe rotate him. Pull this bit out, maybe. There we go, pulled it out. We're in. Looks like another piece as well. Oh, that's a bit fiddly. Get this out. Final piece. Oh, okay. It looks like we're not done. So there's a bit of Stonehenge on this piece and some symbols. Looks like it's been sort of cut off. I'm not seeing any reference to those symbols anywhere else on the puzzle. So look what's in there. It's in the bit of paper. So it just says scan. Congratulations, you made it to the inside of the mystery artifact. But the story has just begun. Scan the QR code on the back to uncover the mystery. Also discover the clues that may point to our next adventure. Interesting. Well, I'm not going to show you the scanning, I'm going to end it there. But yeah, cool puzzle, a little bit flimsy for heavy-handed people such as myself maybe, but really well designed, well thought out, great, very obvious start, and some really cool mechanisms. So yeah, kudos, and hope I'll have the fun of trying to reassemble this thing, and thanks for watching, and oh no, that doesn't do anything. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.